Welcome to Bankline, where you can view all your business accounts in one place, manage your finances, and complete everyday tasks whenever you choose. In this video, we're going to show you how to order checkbooks and paying in books. Let's take a look. You'll need the relevant account servicing privileges or access to view a statement or balance for an account. Once you've got the privileges, just follow these simple steps. Select Account Servicing from the main menu and click Order Checkbooks and Paying in Books. Next, click the Order Check and Paying in Books tab. Choose an organisation, if you have multiple ones on your profile, and then the account you'd like to order books for. Select the number of checkbooks or paying in books you'd like. You can order up to 3 of each. Lastly, click Submit to Bank, and that's your order placed. Your book should arrive within 5 working days. If you'd like to check your order, just click Account Servicing Requests from the Account Servicing menu. This is just one of the ways Bankline could make your life a little easier. To find out more about Bankline and how it could help your business, just visit us here.